to have knowledge about bikes, but I am a beginner. Let's change that. A bike is a vehicle with 2 tires and a handle. Even a kid knows that. But when we dig deeper, what is bike? A motorcycle, often called a bike, is a 2 or 3-wheeled motor vehicle. They come in various shapes, sizes, designed for different purposes, whether it's for commuting, touring, sport, or off-road adventures. There's a motorcycle out there for everyone. Let's look at the basics, bike basics, one by one. First is understanding the basics. What do we have in a bike? We have engine. The engine is like the heart of the motorcycle. It generates power to move the motorcycle. Most engines run on gasoline, but they are also electric motorcycles. Number 2, frame. The frame is the skeleton of the motorcycle. It holds everything together and it gives bike its shape, usually made from steel or aluminum. Next, power and movement. The transmission is a system that transfers power from the engine to the wheels. It allows the rider to change gears and control the speed. Clutch. The clutch is a device that connects and disconnects the engine from transmission. It helps the rider change gears smoothly. Step 3. Riding, comfort, and control. Suspension. The suspension system includes parts that absorb shocks from the road. It makes the ride smoother and more comfortable. It includes front forks and rear shocks or springs. Wheels and tires. The wheels are the round parts that touch the ground. Tires are the rubber parts around the wheels. What do? They provide traction and stability to the motorcycle. The brakes are the system that slows down or stops the motorcycle. They are essential for safety, allowing the rider to control the bike's speed. Step number 4. Fuel and exhaust. Fuel tank. The fuel tank stores the gasoline or petrol. It supplies fuel to the engine to keep the motorcycle running. Next is the exhaust system. The exhaust system includes the pipes that expel gases from the engine. It channels exhaust gases away from the rider and reduces noise. Step number 5. Steering and control. The handlebars. The handlebars are the part where you steer the motorcycle. What do? They control the direction of the front wheel. Step 6. Riders, comfort, and safety. Seat. The seat is where the rider sits. It provides comfort while riding. Lighting. It includes the headlight, tail light, and turn signals. What it does? Ensures visibility and safety, especially at night or in poor weather. Step 7. Information and controls. Dashboard or instrument cluster. The dashboard shows important information. It displays speed, fuel level, and other critical data. Step 8. Power transfer to wheels. Chain, belt, drive shaft. These parts transfer power from the engine to the rear wheel. They help the motorcycle move forward. Step 9. Additional controls. Foot controls. These include the gear shift lever and the rear bike pedal. It allows the rider to change gears and operate the rear brake with their feet.